Sometimes we want to have a sequence of custom selected days of the week. If those weeks are weekdays, so working days, it isn't a problem because we just select a first date and we hold right mouse key and drag it down, and then from the pop-up menu we can choose fill weekdays. So we won't see here Saturday and Sunday. But if we want to do a more customized sequence, for example, I don't want Fridays in this sequence, or for example, I want only Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays for this sequence, then we can use Workday International function. And in this function, we need a start date and the number of days, working days, we are adding. In our example, we want to add only 1 day. And then in the third argument, we can select how we identify weekends. And we can see here 2 options. We can choose 2 days from the week, so those days will be the weekends, and the second option is to choose only 1 day of the week as a weekend. But in the function description, Microsoft function description, we can find a third way. We can write as a text a sequence of ones and zeros, and 0 means this day of the week isn't a weekend, so it's working day. So for example, I want Friday, Saturday, and Sunday as a weekend, so we need 4 zeros and 3 ones in this order, and then we don't care for holidays in this example, and we can just write this and then drag this function down, and you can see after Thursday we have Monday, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and we can change this sequence. So I want the second option I was talking about was Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I have to have 0 only on the first position, third, and fifth position, and Control Enter. You can see Wednesday, Friday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Monday. So thanks to this function, we can have a sequence of selected days of the week.